Hello, in today's video I will show you how to browse and use Voice Library. To do that, we need to open an app. If you didn't open it, it's time now. And now we go to text-to-speech option and we click on our speaker. And this is how you open your Voice Library. You can have, like you see, there's a recently used voices. I already have 4, for example, similar voices to voices you already used. Saved voices, so this is the voices you like using and you can just add them to your favorites with a little heart, just adding it. And we have 2 options like default voices and popular voices. I will show you everything on default voices. It will work the same on popular voices too. So we have a few options here, like language, category, gender, and age. For language, you can choose any language you want. For example, if you want French, you just need to scroll and see French and then just hit apply. I will stick to English, but if you want the other language, you can just click here and pick the language you want. And then they will show you speakers that speak this language. Then you can go to category and choose the category your voice is supposed to be. I won't change anything here. Then you can choose the gender, female, male, or neutral. I will go for female, for example. And I have female voices. Not every single voice I see is female, but okay. I guess it's a app mistake. And we can go to age. Like you have middle age, old, and young, and the voice will sound either younger, older, or middle age. And that's how you browse and use your library. You can just then, after this, after all these options, you can seek the voice you want, and then you can just pick it and here go to your script and do what you want with it. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.